Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to customize your accent colors in your Windows 11. It's going to be very easy and simple tutorial. So first, in your desktop, you can go to your setting. I'm gonna use search box here in the bottom and search settings and then hit enter. And then in the setting page, you can go to your left side menu and then click personalization, click on it and then you can click colors here and then you will find accent color. So if you want to make it manual, you can choose manual and you can choose your accent color here. It's up to you. Maybe you want to make it red, or even pink. It's up to you. Or if you want to make it automatic, you can click on it automatic and it will be automatic. And yeah, it's up to you. And also, if you want to show accent color on the start and taskbar, you can turn it on. Or if you want to make it turn off, click on it and it will be turned off like this. I'm gonna turn it on. And also, if you want to show accent color on title bars and window borders, you can turn it on. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.